What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Hedera Hashgraph, which has pumped up quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 15% up and currently trading up just above 8 cents. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Is it going to head past the 10 cents target anytime soon? And also, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down in value, or should you sell it and take out your profits, or should you just hold on to it for the long term before it goes up even higher? So essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, looking at how high Hedera Hashgraph can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now. The market is down just about 0.2% in the last 24 hours, and we do have Hedera Hashgraph as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain 0.35%, nothing major. Over the last day, 14%, over the week, nearly 18%, and over the month, a massive just about 100%. As you can see guys, consistently going up in value for over the last 4 weeks. Yes, it's had its dips here and there in between, but overall it has been moving in a slow and steady pace heading upwards, which is exactly what we want to see. So going into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $225 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Hedera Hashgraph. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is gaining value. So obviously it's going to get a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more people are going to get involved, look into the project, and either invest or take out the profits and reinvest whenever it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Hedera Hashgraph, which at the moment is at just about 7 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red, at nearly hitting the 9 cents target, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still not looking too great. They're looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Hedera over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Hedera to drop down to around the 8 cents mark is what I'm expecting. It's not going to be a major drop, it is going to be minimal, but again I am also expecting it to pump up in value above 9 cents before it starts to drop back down in value. So the next couple of hours is likely to peak in value to about just above 9 cents, and then towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow slowly starts to drop back down in value to around 8 cents. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bearish, still looking negative guys, meaning an overall drop in value is again expected over the coming days from Hedera. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of next week, the graph is expecting an overall drop. However, that's not what I'm expecting guys. Indeed, I'm expecting an overall increase in value. So by the end of next week, potentially Hedera should be going past the 10 cents target. And again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but this just means that the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected. But again, when I say an overall increase, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, as I mentioned, just about hitting 10 cents by the end of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect from Hedera? I'm expecting an overall increase, and yes guys, we've got the blue and the orange line both heading upwards, looking quite bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is expected by late March, early April to mid-April as well. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say it should be trading around the 15 to 16 cents mark is what I'm expecting, or even hitting 20 cents depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a bull run or a price pump, these things will have a major impact not just on Hedera but the crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I do that guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are new to the channel. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on the crypto market, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join guys. After that it will expire, so make sure you're quick because more than half the spaces have already gone. And also, if you do manage to get in for $14.99, don't worry guys, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member, and yes, it is cancel anytime. So what does this subscription exactly include? You're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, and yes, I am into crypto for the long term, not the short term trade. And also you get put into a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because more or less guys, Bitcoin is what drives the market in a positive or negative direction. And you guys can ask analysis and predictions for other cryptos, which I will also provide in the group chat. Everything is included for $14.99. So guys, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. So back to Hedera and its Fibonacci scale. As you can see guys, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to go to hit the resistance target here, which is 16 cents. As I mentioned earlier, I'm expecting us to hit this approximately mid to late April. I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target and potentially break out from the resistance and head into the green zone here by early to mid-May. But again, it depends. If it manages to break out, then yes. If not, it is likely to resist for a few days, you know, try and drop back down into the red zone. But yeah, we should be able to break out and head into the green zone by early and mid-May as well, and potentially head into the darker green zone here by mid-year. And guys, towards the end of the year, so Q4 of 2023, I'm expecting Hedera Hashgraph to be trading around the 40 cents target, meaning going all the way up to the top tier level here. So yeah, these are my takes for the end of the year. But again, you guys know how volatile the crypto market can be. So if you guys want regular updates on Hedera Hashgraph, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.